If you want to reset your chat in the Talkie app, it's actually very simple. Many people look for a clear option but can't find it right away. Here's how you do it. Open the Talkie app on your phone and go to the chat screen you want to. Reset, then tap on the three dots or menu icon in the corner. From there, look for the option that says Clear Chat or Reset Conversation. Once you tap that, the app will ask you to confirm, because clearing will permanently remove the messages from that chat. Just press confirm, and your chat will be completely reset to a blank state. On some versions of Talkie, you can also press and hold the chat you want to reset, and then select the delete or reset option that pops up. This works the same way and clears everything instantly. If you only want to reset the entire app's chat history, you can also go into your phone. Settings, find the Talkie app under Apps, Open Storage, and Clear Data. This will reset the app as if it's brand new. But remember, it will also sign you out and remove all chats. So if you just want to reset one conversation, use the in-app Clear Chat option. That's it. Your chat is now reset in Talkie. Like, subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments.